So today we've got a super cute tutorial for Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas. So his body was relatively straightforward, just one wavy line for his base, then go up into the two legs, so you create two triangle shapes almost for his legs. Be sure to flash cure as you go along as and when you're happy, so if you do make a mistake, you don't ruin any of your hard work. So disappear off here for a second, but when I come back on, you'll see I'm just trying to create a little bit of movement in those legs. So then I went up and just did a swirl for the tail. If you look at the pictures of Zero, there's so many different ones. I kind of put a few together because I wanted him to look like he was playing. And then I created almost a triangle in the middle. And then I just fill all of that in. Then comes the head. You want to do almost like a beak shape for his mouth. So I did the two. I did end up playing with this quite a bit, but it came together. And then you want like a circle or a round bit for his head. Again, the great thing about gel is you can just keep adding. So this is what I did here. I kind of added more as and where I needed it. I did two wavy lines for the ears. I want it to look like he was kind of falling through the air when he's flying. So next was a tiny little black dot for his eyes. And then you'll see I do some little black lines on his cloak, as it were, to try and show movement. I gave him a little red collar, and then using a dotting tool, I created his lantern nose. And I know I rave on about these brushes, but they are so good. If you look, I managed to get two eyes and a tiny little stalk on using this brush. The detail is so fine. After that, cure, top coat, and you're done. I hope that helps.